Hello and welcome to my channel, A Wealth of Health. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and X at A Wealth of Health. Today we are going to be discussing cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that is made from the inner bark of trees, scientifically known as cinnamomum. It has been used as an ingredient throughout history, dating back as far as ancient Egypt. It used to be rare and valuable and was regarded as a gift fit for kings. These days, cinnamon is affordable and widely available in most supermarkets. It's also found as an ingredient in various foods and recipes. There are two main types of cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon. This type is also known as true cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon. This is the most common variety today and what people generally refer to as cinnamon. Cinnamon is made by cutting the stems of cinnamon trees. The inner bark is then extracted and the woody parts removed. When it dries, it forms strips that curl into rolls, called cinnamon sticks. These sticks can be ground to form cinnamon powder. The distinct smell and flavor of cinnamon are due to the oily part, which is very high in the compound cinnamaldehyde. Scientists believe that this compound is responsible for most of cinnamon's powerful effects on health and metabolism. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Some research suggests that it may help you manage blood sugars, protect against heart disease, and reduce inflammation. Inflammation is incredibly important, as it helps your body respond to infections and repair tissue damage. However, inflammation can become a problem when it's chronic and directed against your body's own tissues. Cinnamon may be useful in this regard. Studies show that this spice and its antioxidants have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon is a spice that has been prized for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. In recent years, modern science has started to confirm many of the potential health benefits associated with cinnamon. Cinnamon has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, which is the leading cause of death around the globe. According to one review, supplementing with at least 1.5 grams g, or about 3/4 of a teaspoon TSP, of cinnamon per day was able to reduce levels of triglycerides, total cholesterol, LDL bad cholesterol, and blood sugar in people with metabolic disease. Another review of 13 studies found that cinnamon could reduce triglyceride and total cholesterol levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Cinnamon has also been shown to reduce blood pressure when consumed consistently for at least 8 weeks. When combined, all of these factors could help reduce your risk of heart disease. Cinnamon could improve sensitivity to insulin. Insulin is one of the key hormones that regulate metabolism and energy use. It's also essential for transporting blood sugar from your bloodstream to your cells. However, some people are resistant to the effects of insulin. This is known as insulin resistance, a hallmark of conditions like metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that cinnamon may be able to reduce insulin resistance. By increasing insulin sensitivity, cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels and support better blood sugar control. Cinnamon is well known for its blood sugar lowering properties. Apart from the beneficial effects on insulin resistance, cinnamon can lower blood sugar through several other mechanisms. First, cinnamon has been shown to decrease the amount of sugar that enters your bloodstream after a meal. It does this by interfering with numerous digestive enzymes, which slows the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract. Second, a compound in cinnamon may mimic the effects of insulin to improve the uptake of sugar into the cells. Numerous human studies have confirmed the beneficial effects of cinnamon, showing that it can lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve hemoglobin A1c, a marker of long-term blood sugar control. The effective dose is typically 1 to 6 grams, or around 0.5 to 2 TSP, of cinnamon per day. Neurodegenerative diseases are characterized by progressive loss of the structure or function of nerve cells. Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease are two of the most common types. Certain compounds found in cinnamon appear to inhibit the buildup of a protein called tau in the brain, which is one of the hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. In a 2014 study in mice with Parkinson's disease, cinnamon helped protect neurons, normalized neurotransmitter levels, and improved motor function. However, these effects need to be studied further in humans. Cinnamon may protect against cancer. Cinnamon has been widely studied for its potential use in cancer prevention and treatment. Overall, the evidence is limited to test tube and animal studies, which suggest that cinnamon extracts may protect against cancer. It acts by reducing the growth of cancer cells and the formation of blood vessels in tumors, and appears to be toxic to cancer cells, causing cell death. One study in mice with ovarian cancer found that cinnamaldehyde could block the expression of certain proteins involved in cancer growth. These findings were supported by test tube experiments, which showed that cinnamaldehyde could reduce the growth and spread of ovarian cancer cells. However, more research is needed to evaluate the potential anti-cancer effects of cinnamon in humans. May prevent bacterial and fungal infections. Cinnamaldehyde, one of the main active components of cinnamon, may be beneficial against various kinds of infection. Test tube studies suggest that cinnamon oil could help kill certain fungi that cause respiratory tract infections. It may also inhibit the growth of certain bacteria, including Listeria and Salmonella. Plus, the antimicrobial effects of cinnamon may also help prevent tooth decay and reduce bad breath. However, the evidence is mostly limited to test tube studies, so more research in humans is needed. Cinnamon may have antiviral properties. Some research suggests that cinnamon may help protect against certain viruses. For example, cinnamon extracted from cassia varieties is thought to be beneficial against HIV-1, the most common strain of HIV in humans. Other studies suggest that cinnamon could also protect against other viruses, including influenza and dengue, a viral infection transmitted by mosquitoes. Still, additional human trials are needed to confirm these effects. All cinnamon is created equal. The cassia variety contains significant amounts of a compound called coumarin, which is believed to be harmful in large doses. All cinnamon should have health benefits, but cassia may cause problems in large doses due to the coumarin content. Ceylon True Cinnamon is much better in this regard, and studies show that it's much lower in coumarin than the cassia variety. Compared to Ceylon cinnamon, cassia cinnamon is generally more affordable and more widely available. Still, you may be able to find Ceylon in some health food stores, and there is a good selection on Amazon. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you